What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about enabling email notification within NetAlertX. So let's get right into it. All right, so on the last video, we left off here when we installed NetAlertX successfully. I wanted to actually enable notifications so I don't have to be here 24/7 looking at it. I wanted to get emails telling me when a new device showed up. So I'm going to show you guys how to configure it. So on the left-hand side, we are going to click on Settings. And within Settings, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And where it says Email Publisher SMTP, we're going to click on that. Now, the first two settings that I'm going to configure will be when to run. By default, it is set to disable. And the SMTP server URL. Now, the URL is going to be different within your environment, but I entered the following. Now, the first option, I change it to on notification, and the URL, I set it to my SMTP URL. Again, yours will be different. Now, next thing that I set up was the SMTP user. I enter the following, and the SMTP password, I enter the following. Again, you have to set it up for your environment. I don't know what you're going to enter, so enter it, and then you should be good. Now, at the very bottom, send email to, I'm going to switch it to the following. I'm going to send it to me. Now, most likely you might have like a mail, like a distribution group that you're able to send it to everyone in your team. Or if you have an inbox that you want to send this information into, go for it, enter it here. Now, from email, I switch it to the following. And that's it. At the very bottom, I am going to click on Save. And at the top is going to state importing the settings and reinitializing, which is great. Now, what I did was I started a new virtual machine within my environment, and it automatically received an alert. So I went into the all notification section, and that's it. So I clicked on go to report, and this is the new machine that I started up within my network. Now, if I head over to my inbox, you're going to see the email notification. There it goes. Awesome. I also received another email notification as well. It gives you more information, which is pretty cool. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.